Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech MK295 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This is a very standard Logitech packaging, as you can see, and one of the most popular ones. Let's quickly take a look at what features what information we have on the box itself. Over here it's written this keyboard has a battery life of 36 months and the mouse has a battery life of 18 months. It's quite substantial. We have this word Silent Touch written over here. Let's see if we can find more information about that. Yes, Silent Touch Technology, same feel, less noise. Innovative Silent Touch Technology for same typing and clicking feel with 90% less noise. Pretty good actually. Full size comfort keyboard with full numpad and shortcut. Basically your full 107 or 109 key keyboard, which is great. A lag-free wireless, plug-and-play wireless receiver for a strong connection up to 10 meters away. And this also has a wireless length of 2.4 gigahertz. This combo also has a spill-resistant design, has durable keys and extra long battery life, as mentioned. Like the keyboard has 36 months of battery life, where the mouse has 18 months of battery life. Like we said, quite substantial. Let's open this box without any delay. We have to do it from here. So, and okay, first we have the mouse over here. Let's keep it on one side. What do we have next? Okay. That's your keyboard. Let me quickly take a look at if there's anything else inside. No, that's it. Okay, that's all you have inside the box. No document, no nothing. Neatly wrapped in plastic. Let's get rid of them. And let's remove this one as well. There is a document here which is basically all the this basically has all the safety information, and more or less, yes, that's what you will get in this particular document. This is it. This is what the Logitech MK295 wireless keyboard and mouse combo looks like. This is your pretty standard 107 key keyboard. It has a nice feel to it and has a nice texture as well. This is obviously, like I mentioned earlier, there's a spill resistant design and looks like it. It feels very nice to type on these keys. They don't make any noise actually, no sound whatsoever. I mean, there is, but very faint. So the silent touch technology is for real. It can be argued, obviously. Let's take a look at the mouse. One last thing at the keyboard. There are rubber stops here, which you can use to elevate the keyboard. And there are also some multimedia buttons right over here. Let's take a quick look at the mouse. This is what the wireless mouse looks like. So a standard mouse with a mouse with a mouse scroll and a middle button here as well. There's an on-off button here. This seems to be on, which it shouldn't be. And let's see what's inside. It already comes with a AA battery, and one final thing which I did not find. There's a dongle, which is the most important thing actually, and it's right here attached to the side of the box like this, so don't miss it. I mean, I missed it earlier and I'm very sorry about that, but here we are. This is the dongle, or the nano transmitter as it's called. Yeah, and there you are. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Logitech MK295 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Thank you for watching.